I wish someone had shown me this before trying to figure out affiliate marketing alone with random online advice. That experience taught me that success in affiliate marketing requires more than just sharing links. If you're trying to earn online, you've probably struggled with choosing offers, finding customers, creating content, and knowing where to start. Many beginners waste time without a clear strategy. That's why I recommend the free ClickFunnels Affiliate Academy course. It helps you learn the foundations of affiliate marketing, how to choose profitable niches, create offers that convert, use funnels, build email lists, and develop traffic strategies. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced affiliate, you can build a stronger marketing system without guessing what steps to take next. Always remember that results depend on your own effort and implementation. I'm Fidelis, and I help people discover digital marketing tools and affiliate opportunities. If you'd like to learn more, click the first link in the description to get started.